Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This thing is absolutely awesome. I get soaked. Must be when I leaned against it. Back seat room. Can't really demonstrate it much because I think this is the soft top that's in here. These roof panels are removable, which I'm about to demonstrate. Total price on this one's $58,600. This is the 3.6 liter V6 with the e-torque. Come on. So that pops it. There we go. So that pops that. What am I missing? Missing something. But so I wanted to make sure there wasn't anything I had to pull. You know what? I'm just gonna let it lie at this point. If I can't get it within the next 2 seconds. You know what? Yeah, whatever. But that's how you take the hood off. And to take the hood's hood off, that is relatively simple. I'll go through the whole process, but you can take the whole roof panel off. And then you can go ahead, place it back where it was, like so. And then latch, latched, finally latched. All right. I still feel like I'm missing something for the hood release, but whatever. This is how you It's how you do all your window controls. Because they realized, hey, if we put them here and you took this door off, you couldn't use them. Off-road pages, all your accessory gauges, your pitch and roll. You can go into drivetrain. I go ahead with the e-brake on, so we can go ahead and put it down into 4 high, which you can then disconnect your. You can then disconnect your sway bar. You can connect it. It's all pretty cool. Now you're in neutral. Now you're in four-wheel drive. Whoa. Now this is where it starts getting fun. You can go into off-road plus mode. You can lock your front and rear differentials. And then that's how you shut them off. You can do just the rear. Alright, and then we're back. Now let's go ahead and take it for a drive. I'm still upset about me not being able to open the hood, but whatever. So this is really I think my first time driving a Wrangler Rubicon JL edition, or generation. I've driven a ton of JK Wranglers, but not the JL. I've driven one before this, not including the Gladiator. But what surprises me the most is how much more livable this generation is compared to the previous. The previous generation, it really kind of would beat you up in a way if you didn't want to be off-road focused. Then yeah, it kind of beat you up. It's kind of stressful to drive in a way. But this is a lot more relaxed, very streetable. Off-road tires aren't all over the place like they are in some applications, aka the Trail Boss. And it's just overall a very, very livable platform for how capable it is off-road. Now, if you're wondering what those kind of bars on the hood are for, well, that's to rest the windshield, because yes, you can drop the windshield. I mean, you can make this thing as open air as you want, and that is absolutely amazing. You know, this is There's not a lot out there like this. Well, now we have the Bronco incoming, and I definitely want to do a comparison test between the Bronco and the Wrangler. I think a lot of people will want to see that and kind of see where each one shines. I'm definitely excited to drive the Bronco, though. I think it's going to be a really, really nice, fun to drive vehicle. But it's going to have a lot of catching up to do. The Wrangler's been in development a lot longer, for a lot more time. Bronco took a bunch of years off. So the Wrangler has kind of been perfected, and every year it just keeps getting better and better. Whereas the Bronco, when it first comes out, it's going to have some issues. I'm not afraid to admit that. It's going to have some developmental bugs. But once they all get sorted out, it's going to be a pretty cool comparison. But I'm more excited to be living in a time like this where we have two very capable off-road vehicles where you can just, hey, you don't want this panel of the roof? Yeah, just take that one off. That's pretty crazy to me. Oh, man. Wow. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, that's pretty quick. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.